Welcome. We will talk about the Samsung Galaxy S8 phone. When this phone came out on the market, it was a hit in sales. The phone comes with an octa-core processor with an average frequency of 2.0 GHz. Camera, 12 megapixel rear, 8 megapixel front. At that time it was working fairly well. It comes with a 5.8 screen. 4 GB RAM. Interior space 64 128 GB. Operating system, Android 7 Nougat, Nougat v7.0. Battery, 3000 mAh. Water resistant. Features of the Samsung Galaxy S8 phone. The phone supports fast charging and wireless charging. The distinctive design of Samsung's Edge range featuring twisted edges. Octa-core processor with an average frequency of 2.0 GHz and 4 GB RAM, which gives the phone amazing performance. A 12 megapixel rear camera with an f/1.7 lens aperture gives more than excellent photos, and an 8 megapixel front camera, which is an improvement over the previous version, gives great photos. Super AMOLED capacitive screen. But what is the difference between the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus? The specifications are similar, but it has many drawbacks. Like, the device's fingerprint is located next to the camera and there is not enough distance between it and the camera, which causes the user of the device to feel suspicious about using the fingerprint until he gets used to it. It is better to have it under the camera and have a separate place for it, or to have enough distance between it and the camera to avoid putting the finger on the camera screen redness, and was resolved by updating the software. The problem of a sudden and random restart of the device has not been resolved.